In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So in order to go to the Fastboot mode, first we're gonna open the power menu, which we can do, for example, by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Once you open the power menu, then in here we should be able to tap on restart. But once you restart your phone, you want to press and hold volume down button. So we're gonna tap on restart. And once the restarting text disappears, press and hold volume down. And keep holding volume down until you go to the Fastboot mode. There we go. Now in here we should be able to use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. And if you want to select something, you just have to press the power button in order to confirm your choice. Now, if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you can just simply choose the start option. So make sure that start is selected and press power button, and then your phone is going to reboot and go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.